When we are confident we can use the longest club in our bag effectively, it's time to look at the design of the hole. Of course, we're hoping for the ideal situation. We have our target centered in the middle of the fairway, and we find that there's enough room either side to safely hit that club. It is worth mentioning what we said in the previous video, which is that centering our target in the middle of the fairway does not necessarily mean our body alignments are going to be aiming down the middle. We may have to be aiming our body alignments to the left of centre or to the right of centre to have our shot pattern covering the fairway. The important thing here is that the target, which is the centre of the shot pattern, is as central as possible. Now in this situation, we can see exactly the same target and shot pattern. However, a number of balls in the left-hand portion of our shot pattern are going to be in the trees, and this is going to cost us. So the answer is to simply shift the shot pattern to the right, use the right edge of the fairway as our target, and what we now have is half of our shots in the rough on the right and the other half on the fairway. But what we don't have are any tee shots in the trees. Now the problems arise when we have trouble both sides, whether this be in the form of trees, water hazards, out of bounds, or any combination of the above. In these situations, there's simply nowhere we can aim, so too many of our shots are going to end up in trouble. When the target is wide enough and the risk is low, of course we hit the longest club. But when the dispersion with the longest club is simply too wide for the effective landing area, we have to club down. And there's no limit to how far down the set we must go. The important thing is that we are very certain we'll keep the ball in play.